Hey guys, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this Nano tape. So we got a 3-pack in here and then a 2-pack here. This is the 17 foot and this is the 10 foot by the same company. I just wanted 2 different packs because we're going to be doing cloud sealing. So with the cloud sealing, we need the Nano tape to use with our foam. So we're going to put our foam on the ceiling. It's going to hold it up with the Nano tape, and then we're going to put our clouds. So Nano tape is going to work excellent for this. So Nano tape is working great.